So the War Widows in Touch programme was developed to directly address the needs of the War Widows Association membership. So specifically, the needs were to develop digital skills, but really importantly, it was to connect dispersed War Widows from across the United Kingdom. The project was not intended to be carried out in any global pandemic, but it was carried out throughout the duration of COVID-19. And that importantly really changed the way that the programme was carried out, the way that we recruited participants, and the way that the War Widows Association trained participants as well. It was a very unique evaluation of a very unique training programme. So it's one of the first evaluations to actually look at the impact and the dissemination of a remote online training programme. You know, we were able to look at the impact and the influence of doing remote training as opposed to face-to-face training, and that's really helped the recommendations and really support the recommendations that we found from this programme itself.
Technology became a lifeline for so many people and so many organisations. I was amazed that our project manager managed to issue the iPads and set up the training, all done remotely. I know it wasn't simple because some of the participants had never used anything other than perhaps a mobile phone. And sometimes that was only used to make calls.
So COVID messed up so many things with everybody, with life and in general, but it was actually a blessing in disguise for this project, because through necessity I then had to have phone calls with every single person on the project, set them up with some training or speak to their neighbours to get them to come into the house with a laptop because they didn't have any devices. So I've got to know some of the neighbours, and it's just been lovely getting to know all of the ladies on the project. Initially, Apple were going to be doing the training for us, either in their local stores or, you know, I would get some ladies into maybe a community centre and they would help us out. And that just didn't happen. We were so delayed even getting the iPads because of factory closures in China. And so yeah, you can imagine every spanner thrown into the works of this project. That's what happened. The lovely part of that was that I did do the training and I did get to meet so many amazing ladies.